Should we have a philosopher in our engineering team? I'm Jordi Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We inspire trustful relationships that generate new solutions for executives and their companies. The question I posted in the blog was about hiring a philosopher. I also had some answers directly to me via email. One is from a manufacturing plant, and how important are the perspectives brought by people who used to be hairdressers working in the plant, and how they opened the eyes for the engineers. I was fortunate enough to attend a conference by Joan Roca, one of the owners of the restaurant who was ranked first worldwide by the Restaurant magazine. And what do they have in their team? They have lovely chefs, but they also have a botanist, an industrial designer, and even an emotional manager. That's how they get to be the first. Let me read you some verses by Gary Friedman from the MIT in Boston. I'm very good at systems, both in digital and analog. Have studied great philosophers. Can quote to you their dialogues. I'll work all day and never quit. That is, if I can manage it. I'm the very model of an engineering graduate. So all in all, innovation hardly happens in monoperspectives teams. Having diverse people in a team is a great challenge, but worth it. Keep connecting new perspectives.